Since the dawn of time, we've worked to take the hassle out of building websites. By dawn of time, we mean 2012. That's when we launched Font Awesome, the internet's favorite icon library and toolkit. And in 2023, we introduced Web Awesome, the biggest open source library of meticulously designed, customizable, and framework-agnostic UI components.
It's true, you've saved us a ton of time. We've got all the ingredients for a great website, icons, components.
But putting it all together into a durable and long-lasting site is still too hard. It either tastes the same as everyone else's, is too complicated to update, or simply doesn't stand the test of time.
I still manually update the copyright date in my footer.
Well, you're in luck, kid, because now we're coming for the whole enchilada. Drum roll, please. I said drum roll.
Huh?
Introducing Build Awesome. Build Awesome is the fancy pants new name for Eleventy, the internet's most celebrated and tastiest static site generator.
And who are you?
I'm a possum, and I'm awesome. I'm the awesome possum.
We'll take it from here, folks. With Build Awesome, you don't have to fool around with half-baked tools.
With Web and Font Awesome, you'll have all the right ingredients.
And now, we're baking the whole thing together.
Build Awesome is a platform for creating websites that are fast, secure, and built to last.
It takes your content and templates and compiles them into static sites.
No database, no backend, just durable HTML that can live forever. And if you want to go further, there's Build Awesome Pro.
Live editing and collaboration. Pre-baked templates you can theme and retheme. Backed by Git for version control, Web Awesome for standards-based longevity, and hosted on Font Awesome's petabyte-scale global CDN.
This is incredible. But what if I want to change the recipe?
With Build Awesome Pro, editing your website has never been easier, even after it's baked.
Wow, you're my hero.
You ever feel like your life is not going exactly the way you planned?
All the time.
If you've used Eleventy, you already know how powerful the Build Awesome engine is.
And like Font and Web Awesome before it, Build Awesome Forever remains free and open source.
And by upgrading to Build Awesome Pro, you'll ensure our open source efforts are better than ever.
Whether you're solo, running a team, or growing a project, Build Awesome adapts to how you work.
So back the Build Awesome Kickstarter today. You'll get early access to everything, plus a discounted price for all of the Pro Tools. And you'll help us unlock even more features for the entire community. What are you, selfish? If you don't do that, you're selfish, I think. Own your content.
Build your audience.
And build a better web.
That's awesome, possum.
Can I have some?